Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. On 5th August, 2019, by virtue of the Presidential Order 2019, Article 370 pertaining to provisions of the separate Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir was abrogated with this action. The Government of India revoked the special status or limited autonomy, granted under Article 370 of the Indian Constitution to Jammu and Kashmir, following the accession of Jammu and Kashmir to the Indian Union on 26th October, 1947, the Maharaja Hari Singh, who had ruled Jammu and Kashmir earlier, handed over control of defense, external affairs and communications to the Government of India, 370 and the accompanying constitutional order of 1950 formalized this relationship, In 1952, the governments of the state and the union agreed that Indian citizenship would be extended to all the residents of the state, but the state would be empowered to legislate over the rights and privileges of the state's subjects, who would now be called permanent residents. Article 370 of the Indian Constitution gave special status to the state of Jammu and Kashmir by conferring it with the power to have a separate constitution, a state flag and autonomy over the internal administration of the state, Article 37 was included in the section of the Constitution on temporary, transitional and special provisions, The Constituent Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir after its establishment was empowered to recommend the articles of the Indian Constitution that should be applied to the state or to the abrogate Article 370 altogether, A presidential order was issued in 1954 which specified the articles of the Indian Constitution that applied to the state, As part of this order, Article 35A was added to the Constitution empowering the state legislature to legislate on the privileges of the permanent residents of the state, The state of Jammu and Kashmir defined these privileges to include the ability to purchase land and immovable property, ability to vote and contest elections, seeking government employment and availing other state benefits such as higher education and health care. Non-permanent residents of the state, even if they were Indian citizens, were not entitled to these privileges, Later, as the state's Constituent Assembly dissolved itself without recommending the abrogation of Article 370, the article was understood to have become a permanent feature of the Indian Constitution, However, Clause 3 of the Article 70 gives the President of India the power to amend its provisions and scope, In subsequent years, the provisions of Article 370 were diluted through various presidential orders to allow more subjects to the controlled by the Union government, which had earlier been applicable to the state government of Jammu and Kashmir, In each case, the concurrence of the state assembly was taken before issuing the presidential order, In various court cases over the years, the Supreme Court of India had always upheld that Clause 1 of Article 370 cannot modify on deleted comma, as it states that it applies to the government of Jammu and Kashmir, full stop. The reasons given by the government of India for abrogation of Article 370 in August 2019, was that, it was only a temporary provisions, full stop, over.